Hello, welcome to Animated Science. Thank you for checking out our new channel. We intend to create many explained animated videos for all of the sciences. There are many science educators and illustrators on YouTube. What this channel intends to do differently is that we will be attempting to merge realistic animations with detailed explanations in a format to provide you with an entire knowledge of a discipline in science. We're going to be uploading videos in 3 different levels: beginner, intermediate, and expert. Beginner is going to be pretty close to college level freshman courses. Intermediate is going to be close to upper level courses, and we'll cover some of the same topics in beginner but just at a deeper level. And then expert will cover many of those same topics at a higher level, pretty close to the scientific body of knowledge again. So if you think you're interested in our content, give a video a watch. If you really like it, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we upload a new video. And lastly, please give us some likes and some comments. If you have any questions, I will answer all questions in the comments. Again, thank you for checking out our channel, and we hope to see you on our videos. Thanks, guys.